Hey value traders, have you seen the fall in crude oil?
Valutrades.
I'm Brad Alexander, and in this week's Market Blast Fundamentals, let's take a look at the NASDAQ, Pound CAD, Brent Crude, Euro Pound, the US Dollar Index, and Pound Dollar. We are seeing US dollar weakness right across the board, which, let's face it, is a good for the global economy with rising US dollar-denominated emerging market debt. The US dollar index tells the same story, and we will look at this from the technical side tomorrow. On the other side, we see that the pound is the strongest currency with price action moving since the first week of the month. Brent Crude has fallen dramatically and opened with a gap this morning based on unrest in China, which has affected forecasts for demand. The weakness in crude oil has the usual effect on the Canadian dollar, so we see this as the weakest currency. Therefore, if we do our strong weak analysis, we are drawn to Pound CAD. If we look at the daily chart, we see we have room to move to the upside, but we might want to wait for a pullback on a lower time frame. We will look at this from the technical side tomorrow. Despite a rally earlier in the month, US indices like the NASDAQ are still in a downturn based on continuing interest rate rises by the Fed and unrest in China. Meanwhile, the Fed will be watching this week's US GDP and non-farm payroll figures to get some idea of where the economy is headed. And as you can see, there's a lot on the calendar this week, so let's pay attention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Valutrade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.